Let's go ahead and take a quick look at this belt buckle here. First off, on the back, you have the section that attaches to your belt, and then right here, the little part that slips in the hole to hold it in place where you need it. So we have a good detail, sturdy metal, nice designs on it. And then I'm going to show you here how simple it is to put on my belt. So I already have my belt unclipped. You take this, slide it through, clip these first top two, make sure this is where it goes in the middle, and I clip the bottom one. And then now I'm going to try it on for you. And that's what it looks like on. Very simple to use, good quality, and it looks nice.